Hello and welcome to this video on the DVANA Workstream productivity system. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the client document app. As I usually do, I'm going to start with the app already signed in. As you can see, this is what the client document app looks like when you first sign in. There are two parts to this video. The first is for first-time use and the second for the admin. First of all, if you start the app and you don't see this screen, then it means you need to set up the app. In that case, you will be on this screen, the one with the cog icon. This is where you tell the app the location of the files. Mine is already set up, but the process is the same. Press the Choose New Folder button. This opens a file picker window. You navigate to the topmost folder in the document management system. In my case, that is DMS Client. I simply press open like so, and the path is now set. Not just for now, but is automatically set for each time you run the app as this user. That is all you need to do. Now you can start managing documents. The second is where the administrator sets up the list of labels and tags in the folder list. Once again, let's start from the default screen. Press the spanner or wrench icon that takes us to the settings page. If the spanner or wrench icon doesn't appear, then you cannot edit the settings as you are not an admin. To edit the document names, which is the labels and tags, press the pen or pencil icon. We use that as the edit button. This gives you a list of the current document names. Change them as necessary. I'm going to add welcome letter. I can simply add it at the bottom. Everything is taken care of for you. Now to save, press the disk icon at the top. That's it, job done. When the orange flash finishes, the changes are saved. Next, let's edit a folder. The process is the same. Click on the pen or pencil icon to edit the list. I will change correspondence to correspondences, so I'm just adding an S. Press the disk icon to save. When the orange flash is finished, the updates are saved. That's all you need to know about setting up the client document app. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video useful. We have videos on a range of topics, all to help you be more productive. That's us finished for now. Until next time, take care.